Alright guys, good morning. I just want to give you an update over here in Hoover Dam. This is the situation of Hoover Dam right now. As you can see, all that white line supposed to be the water is there. And what is happening right now, the water is so low. As you can see, the dam is empty and dry. No more water. Because the water is supposed to be there. That line, the white line. Do you imagine how deep is that? Wow, so now, oh, I see the big fish swimming there. As you can see, oh, big fish. Here we go, Daddy. Wow, so we are here in Hoover Dam. The situation of Hoover Dam now, the water is so low. I don't know if still continue supply in Las Vegas for the water and electricity. Because this is the supply, water and electricity going to all over in Las Vegas and Phoenix, Arizona, or all over Arizona maybe. Yeah. So this is the story of okay. Okay. Wala layo na kay. Ayaw lang pagdagan nak. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Look at that, guys. Lawom kay siyag na iban, guys. Luoy kaayo. Hay nakapaingon ang tubig gani. Lawom na kaayo. Kalayo kaya nang gilagputan sa kuan sa line of water. That's the kanang nagtika kuan jud siya, nagtika hubas gid siya ba, nagtika gamay. My God, luoy kaayo. Layo kay magiparkingan, guys. Turang nga to ay amo. Kita ka nga tong sakyanan. Yes, honey. No, I'm just worried about you, honey. Too far. Yeah. Oh, the bridge is over there, guys. Too far, honey. So I think this is enough. No. No public access, nak. They said. The water is supposed to be full over there. Yes. No, you're not allowed. Not allowed because it's very dangerous. Yeah, we are here Hoover Dam, Nevada, guys. Wala na tubig, guys. Nagtikahubas na. Nag-climate change na gyud. My God. Wala na tubig. Oh, see? Supposed to be dam. This is dam. And it's no more water there. I don't know where is the water going. So sad. See, bye-bye, nak. God bless us all. Bye-bye. We are the first customers here visit. Oh, you see the water?
See? Making energy. You can hear the
Just wait.
Look like ants down there. Look at the cars. Ants, that's so far away today. Cars look like ants. I tell you. So if we could tour this, we'd see that out in there in that
But
building.
do you know the water is supposed to be all over there, honey?
Yeah. Well, no. No, the water's hold back. And then